Hi, I would like to thank Humble for sending me this 3-pack of deodorant so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. And it came at a really good time because I have been looking for an aluminum-free, more natural ingredient deodorant that actually lasts all day. And these fit the bill for me. So there's 3 flavors or scents, Moroccan Rose, lemongrass and sage, rosemary and mint. The lemongrass and sage is the one that I've been using for the past several days. Love the smell and it really works for me. So like I said, it's aluminum free, no alcohol, no parabens, no dyes, no artificial fragrances. And it works. It works for me. So these are the ones that came in this 3-pack, but there are other scents that you can choose from to get as a set or individually. So I do recommend these. They work really well for me. The scents are really nice, and it's a great deodorant. I highly recommend it. Thanks.